The JSU Automation Suite for Jira Cloud is a no-code solution to help you and your teams work faster and more efficiently. Using a collection of post functions, conditions, and validators, you can configure workflow rules to increase productivity, facilitate team collaboration, and seamlessly transition your work. JSU offers unlimited automation rule runs, so you can set up and manage your workflow automations exactly as you need without worrying about reaching usage limits. Even more, JSU now supports team-managed spaces in Jira Cloud. This opens up JSU automations to space administrators, enabling them to create rules for only their spaces. This video will demonstrate how to create a new JSU rule for a team-managed space. To add a new JSU rule, go to Space Settings and expand Work Types. Click the work type you want to automate and click Edit Workflow. Select the transition that should trigger your new rule. In this example, we'll use the transition into released. Click Restrict Transition and then click Add Restrict Transition Rule. Select JSU Rule Builder Conditions and click Select. This will let us restrict the transition so that all subtasks of a story need to be in a status of waiting for release before the story can be transitioned to released. Give your rule a name and click Add Condition. Select Related Issue Status. For issue relation, select subtask of the parent issue in transition. For issue status, select the status value waiting for release. Click Add. Click Update Workflow to publish your updated workflow. To test our new rule, we try to move a work item with subtasks to released. Note that the transition is not available because one subtask is still in progress. Once that subtask is updated, the transition becomes available. Thanks for watching.